Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get farm plot blocks and all of its materials and how to use them in 7 days. So to begin, first of all, you don't need any skills or anything like magazines to unlock it. You can unlock it, you have it unlocked already from the day 1. And now to materials. For the materials we'll need some wood, and wood can be gathered by chopping down trees, using an axe or anything like that, or these kind of dead bushes or bigger bushes, punching with hand, and you can get some wood also. Then rotten flesh and nitrate powder can be gathered from corpses you can find on the road, just like this one. And using a knife, bone knife or hunting knife, you can just go ahead and chop it down. And as you can see, you'll get some nitrates and rotting flesh. The last material is clay soil, and this can be gathered by using some kind of a shovel or mining tool and mining the ground just like this. And as you can see, you'll get some clay soil. Also, another useful thing, when you go to skills and go to general perks, the living of the land perk is going to allow you to craft the farm plots at a lesser cost, and also it is going to give you bigger yield of harvested crops. So once you've done that, gathered all the materials, you want to go ahead and just click craft. And this is going to take about 10 seconds per farm plot to craft. And once you do have it crafted, pick it into your hotbar. And nextly, you want to just go ahead and right click to place it down. And once you place it down next to another farm plot, as you can see, it is going to get rid of the wooden boundary. And now to use it, you want to make sure it is under a sky or under a non-opaque blocks so that it can grow the seeds. And now, just with the seeds in hand, just right click and place them like blocks on top of the farm plot blocks. And then you just wait until it's grown, and you'll see when it's grown it is going to say that it's fully grown, or just say potato, not seed. So this is pretty much all, how to get and use the farm plot blocks in 7 days. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.